So the another problem on this work done is determine the work done by electric motor in winding up a uniform cable which is hangs from a hoisting drum. If its free length is 10 meter and weighs 500 Newton, the drum is rotated by the motor. Now work done is to be calculated. So here the free length of cable is equal to 10 meter. Therefore, the weight of cable is given 500 Newton. Therefore, weight per meter length is equal to weight per meter is equal to 500 divided by 10, that is equal to 50 Newton. That means weight of the cable per meter length weighs about 50 Newton. Now consider an elemental the length of dx at a distance x from the bottom or free end of the cable. What is that? Consider an elemental length dx at a distance x from free end. So now this is the element of thickness length dx and at a distance x from the free end. Therefore, the weight of element is equal to 50 into dx, because per meter length it is 50. For this length, how much it is? 50 into dx. Now this cable, so that means this motor has to do a certain work lifting this element to a distance of 10 minus x. 10 minus x it has to raise to that distance. Now this element is to be raised by a distance of 10 minus x. Total length is 10 meters, so therefore it is a distance of x from free end. So this is the length to which it is to be raised. Then work done on the element is equal to the weight. That means also how much weight is to be raised. So that means weight multiplied by the distance to which it is to be raised. So now this is the work done by this motor on this element in order to raise this distance. So now this is the work done. Now we will consider the cable is made up of number of such elements and work done by the motor on these elements is obtained by integrating the above equation between the limits 0 to 10. That means 50 into dx into 10 minus x. So that means all elements will be raised to such a distance. So that is So 50 is taken outside, then if you integrate, so 10x minus x square by 2 between the limits 0 to 10. 0 to 10. So that is 50 into, so 10 into 10 minus 10 square divided by 2. So then you get, so this will be 50 into 100 minus 100 by this one. So you get 50 into 50, that is equal to 2500 Newton meter. So this much is the work done. That means total work done is equal to work done in lifting this cable is equal to, that is 2500 Newton meter or 2500 joules.